What's up, my beautiful people? I'm here tonight to make you banana fritters. I have some ripe banana here. I don't want to throw them away, so I'm gonna make banana fritters with them. So here, what I want for tonight, I'm gonna need a spoon, a fork. I have half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, egg, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of flour and half a teaspoon of salt. And my bananas are here, my 6 bananas. I'm using 6 bananas today, and my bowl is here. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna add my sugar with my 6 bananas, and I'm gonna crush them, combine them together. And you have to use well-ripe bananas. These bananas are well-ripe. You see how soft they are? They are very ripe. So when you have well-ripe bananas, don't throw them away. You can do something with them. You can make banana bread, and you can make banana fritters, or you can even blend them in your smoothies. So tonight I'm making fritters with these, and I'm doing this fritters with baking powder, and I'm gonna do another one next time without the baking powder, and I'm gonna do one with baking soda. So I have 2 more recipes of the banana of the fritters to come with you another time. So now I'm gonna add my baking powder. I'm gonna add my nutmeg. I'm gonna add my cinnamon. And I'm gonna combine everything together. I'm gonna add my vanilla to my banana. And now I'm gonna add my flour slowly to my banana and sugar and vanilla. Gradually, I'm gonna add it to it. So guys, you can have your fritters with a long glass of milk. You can have it as a snack when you go to work. You can carry it for your break. You can have it for any little thing. You can have it as your dessert with some ice cream. And it's not hard to make. So guys, I want you to make it, and you're gonna give me a comment and tell me how you like it. Or if you make it another way, you can comment and tell me your way. You can tell me how you make your banana fritters, okay? I would love to hear from you guys. And don't be shy to comment, please. You don't want it too thick, and you don't want it too watery. Okay, so now this is the last of the flour. Soak everything. If you get it too thick, you can just drop a little bit of water inside, just to thin it down a little bit. I'm gonna combine mine first and see how it is. If it reaches the consistency I need. Okay, I think this is okay. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my pot is on the stove already. Okay guys, now I'm gonna start frying. So my oil is hot. And you have to fry it on low heat because the banana is sweet, so it's easy to get dark. So okay guys, I want you guys to try it and let me know, okay? And make me a comment. Tell me something. If you like it or not. Okay guys, so this is my finished product. This is my banana fritters. Very nice. I even eat the first one I fried. So guys, I want you to comment and let me know how you make your banana fritters. And guys, don't be afraid to comment, please. I would like to hear from you all. So, big up my friends, family, and all my subscribers out there. I love you all, guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Bye.